Okay, in this video, I'm gonna just be doing like a quick run through of taking an SVG file and turning it into a stitch file. This is my drawing that I did, and I'm a little new to this, so I'm learning and I'm trying to do it maybe a little different. I decided to keep these three files separate: the cherry, the frosting, and the cupcake cup, because I thought it would make it easier to change the colors. So this is my first one. I'm going to try this one out, and you'll see me here. I'm changing the colors, and I'll change the stitch order, and I'm going to save it as a stitch file when I'm done. I'm making a felty, so I'm doing the you'll see me do that circle twice, and I'll move one up to the top, and I'll change that one into a running stitch and just do one time around, and that's my placement stitch. The last one is the felty stitch to put the two layers of felt together and make it nice and pretty. So here I go with the steps to the stitching it out, and we'll just see how it works out. Okay, so I have to say, overall, not too bad. My cutting was a little off today, but the stitching was great. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.